Hello, amazing learners! Welcome to our reading adventures. In this lesson, we will practice reading sentences with our controlled vowels. Are you ready? Let's read. Repeat what I say. Girl, girl. Jen is a girl. Now it's your turn. Say the words as you see the red dot under it. Jen is a girl. Fork, fork. It is a fork. It's your turn to read. It is a fork. Storm, storm. There is a storm. Read the words on your own. There is a storm. Corn, corn. This is a corn cob. Now it's your turn to read. This is a corn cob. Shorts, shorts. My shorts are new. Read the words on your own. My shorts are new. Church, church. We went to church. It's time for you to read on your own. We went to church. Hurt, hurt. My leg is hurt. Now it's your turn. My leg is hurt. Nurse, nurse. Meg is a nurse. It's your turn to read. Meg is a nurse. Turtle, turtle. I have a pet turtle. It's your turn. I have a pet turtle. Fur. Fur. The bear has a black fur. Now read the words on your own. The bear has a black fur. Turkey. Turkey. The turkey is big. It's your turn to read. The turkey is big. Surf. Surf. I can surf. It's time for you to read on your own. I can surf. Good job, children! Always practice reading so you can be a fluent reader. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please click like and subscribe.